Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Omron HEM-7120 blood pressure monitor from Chemist Warehouse. I recently bought this for home use, so in this video I'll show you what comes in the box, how to use it, and whether it's worth buying or not. First impression, the machine looks simple, clean and easy to use. The screen is large, so it's easy to read the numbers. Inside the box, you get the monitor itself, the cuff, batteries and the instruction manual. Now let's test it. First, wrap the cuff around your arm like this. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. Then press the start button and wait a few seconds. As you can see, it automatically checks the blood pressure and pulse rate. One thing I like about this machine is how easy it is to use. You don't need any medical knowledge. It's good for home use, especially for beginners or older people. The machine is also compact, so you can easily keep it at home or take it while traveling. For the price, I think it's a pretty good option. Overall, I think this Omron blood pressure monitor is reliable, simple and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and see you in the next video.